Do you believe it's possible to become a millionaire in just 12 months? Yes, it is if you have the right mindset, the right strategy, and a plan that works. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful book that can change your financial future, Be a Millionaire Next Year by Michael R. Berg. If you're someone who wants financial freedom, dreams of being debt-free, or wants to build lasting wealth, this video is made for you. So don't skip a second, because by the end, I'll share real, actionable strategies you can start using today. And if you love books that transform lives, make sure to subscribe to the book Capsule. Let's grow together, one book at a time. Here's a chapter-wise summary in English of Be a Millionaire Next Year: Strategies to Build Your Wealth Quickly and Permanently by Michael R. Berg. Chapter 1. Mindset Shift: The First Step to Wealth. Berg emphasizes that building wealth begins with a change in mindset. Believing you can become wealthy and developing a positive, goal-oriented outlook helps you identify opportunities and make strategic decisions. Chapter 2. Smart Financial Choices: Spend wisely, not fearfully. Instead of cutting expenses blindly, the focus should be on making smart financial decisions. Allocate money according to your needs and long-term financial goals to maximize savings and investment capacity. Chapter 3. Increasing Income: Build Multiple Streams. Berg highlights the importance of not relying on a single income source. He encourages exploring real estate, dividend stocks, and starting your own business to diversify income and grow wealth faster. Chapter 4. Tax Management: Legally reduce your tax burden. Understanding tax laws and applying strategies to reduce tax payments legally allows you to keep more of your income for saving and investing. Chapter 5. Investing Smartly: Focus on Passive Income. This chapter focuses on building wealth through smart investments in passive income-generating assets, like dividend-paying stocks and real estate. Chapter 6. Real Estate: A Safer Investment Option. Berg shares strategies to succeed in real estate without taking excessive risks. With the right approach, real estate can provide steady income and long-term appreciation. Chapter 7. Maximizing Social Security Benefits. Knowing when and how to claim Social Security can significantly impact your retirement income. Berg explains methods to optimize these benefits for long-term financial stability. Chapter 8. Action and Execution: From Planning to Doing. The final chapter encourages readers to take action. Wealth doesn't come from planning alone. It requires consistent execution, goal setting, and accountability. And that was the key message from Be a Millionaire Next Year by Michael R. Berg. I hope today's summary inspired you to think differently about wealth and your financial journey. Let me know in the comments what part of this video stood out to you the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the book Capsule for more life-changing book summaries made simple and powerful. Stay tuned for the next video. Something amazing is coming your way soon. Until then, keep reading, keep learning, and keep growing.